This young boy jumps off a boat for his love. As the ship pulls away, the girl runs and screams his name across the waves, her voice breaking with desperation. The boy hears this from far away and without another word, jumps. Without a second thought, he leaps into the cold, violent sea. Waves crash, the current drags him down, but he fights his way forward, every stroke a declaration of love. The girl falls to the floor and cries as she thinks he is gone for good. But he reaches the shore, trembling, soaked, but alive. The girl runs to him, tears mixing with the salt of the sea. They hold each other tightly as they start to laugh and cry at the same time.